Good afternoon, Year 9. We're going to be looking at percentages and percentage change on this, our first lesson back after the test. So we have a couple of key formula. We're working on our blue books, so feel free to pause the video at this point, copy out the title, and once you've done that, you'll be ready to unpause the video. Okay, so there's two key formula that we're going to start with. One of them, although both almost identical, is percentage increase. And that is the actual increase divided by the original value and times all of that by 100. And that's what the percentage increase is. And the percentage decrease is the same thing, but we start with the actual decrease and we divide by the original value and times by 100. So knowing that the change goes on the top of that fraction and the original value goes on the bottom of the fraction, and we always times by 100. Okay, next I'd like you to pause again and copy out that first example for finding a percentage increase or decrease. So we're going to look at the example now. Make sure you have it copied into your blue books. And we have to write down the actual formula. Putting actual decrease at the top of the fraction is so useful just for reminding us which numbers go where, and using words mean that you have to think about what those words mean. So the decrease is the amount of money we go down from 180p to 117p is 63p. So the decrease is 63. In fact, it's 0.63 because we're working in pounds. The original price, and this you do need to think about that, the original price is not always the biggest price, it's whatever you start with. So £1.8. And if we plug all of that into our calculator, we come out with the number 35. So that is a 35% decrease. Okay. I want us to turn to our orange books now. Same title. There are going to be 6 questions that you should be able to see and attempt, and there'll be video solutions for each.